Audio control. The EPICENTER bass booster dramatically restores low-frequency impact in modern compressed music, making subwoofers sound deeper and more authoritative without changing the rest of the system. Its active 2-channel line driver and converter can pull usable bass from very weak factory signals, which is a huge help when integrating with stock head units. The compact chassis tucks easily into tight spaces, yet still delivers very strong output voltage for enthusiasts who want to drive amplifiers hard. Fine-tuning is excellent thanks to the ParaBASS equalization, letting you shape the bass response so it feels tight and musical instead of boomy. The included dual-knob dash controller is genuinely useful, allowing separate on-the-fly adjustment of bass restoration and overall output from the driver's seat. Integration with compatible amplifiers through the dedicated linking feature and flexible turn-on modes makes this processor straightforward to add to complex car audio builds.